Hi everybody, it's Josh Pruitt, Realtor with Pure Gold Realty. I'm here at 5313 Allamanda Drive in Circle C. We're in the Greyrock section of one of the best neighborhoods in South Austin. We've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 1,770 square feet, listed at $432,500. This house is amazing, tall ceilings, wood floors, great bathrooms, lots of natural light. We're doing an open house this Sunday 1 to 3. We'd love for you to come check it out. This listing is provided by Jessica Morris with Avalar Austin. Again, if you or anyone you know are looking to buy or sell real estate soon, please send your friends my way. My number is 512-626-3192. You can always call or text me. You can send me an email, joshpruittrealtor@gmail.com, and of course, joshpruittrealtor.com. And then you always find me on Facebook and Instagram, Josh Pruitt Realtor. It's pretty easy to find me. So, we'd love to see you this Sunday 1 to 3, 5313 Allamanda Drive in Circle C. As always, you guys take care and love to see you. Bye.